Jonathan here. So if your washer is having water issues where it's saying no water, check the filter on the back. On the back of each washing machine, there's a filter back where this hose goes on. First thing you want to do is make sure you shut both your hot and cold water off. Take out the drain. Don't do that. And unplug it so you have more room to work. Next, you're going to undo your hoses back here. And behind these hoses, there's two little filters. So I already got mine loose, but you're going to need a good pair of channel locks and a pair of needle nose to get the hose out, or the filter out. Next, take your needle nose and pull the filter out. And I'm going to post in the description replacement filters for your washer and dryer. But inside these filters, I have, especially on well water, look at that. It's got a bunch of scuzzy, like rocky shell like stuff. But inside here, you take your needle nose, you grip the filter and pull straight out with it. It's always good to have spare filters on hand. But a lot of times you can clean these and put them right back in. See, there's your little filter. See, ours is, it's been a couple years since we've done ours and we're on well water. But that's the tip. Hope it helps. And I'm going to post these in the description in case you need to replace some ones. That's the tip. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe.